Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some of the updates that I've made to my Bagel Shop Business Plan template for 2023. So the way the video is going to play out is pretty much just going to go ahead and introduce y'all to the Bagel Shop Business Plan template updates. There's about 3 of them. I'll run through them, and after that we'll wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. All right, so the first thing that I updated in my Bagel Shop Business Plan template was the industry research. As we all know, having a business plan, it's important to have updated industry research for our industry. So what I did is I do have a subscription to IBIS World, so I went to IBIS World. I just searched bagel shops in the U.S., and what I did is I just extrapolated some of the important information in there, summarized it, paraphrased it, and put it into my business plan template. So now for 2023, all the bagel shop industry research is up to date. And the next thing that I did was I expanded the industry research. So typically my business plan templates, including the Bagel Shop business plan template, typically is going to be about 1 page in industry research. And I first summarize the information of the industry, and then I'll go ahead and touch on some of the important aspects of the industry, whether it be revenue growth or wages in the industry or number of employees in the industry. From there, I just move on to the next section. However, now for 2023, I've expanded the industry research to include product segmentation and services segmentation. So for the Bagel Shop business plan template, I've now included the breakdown of carry-out orders for food, dine-in orders for food, and then just beverages purchases. And then the third segment that I updated for the Bagel Shop business plan template is I've given y'all more opportunities to customize the revenue flows for the first year. And so specifically what I've done is for the profit and loss statement for the first year, it's broken down into a monthly basis. However, what I've done is I've now allowed y'all to go ahead and update the revenue growth on a monthly basis. So right here we've got our revenues, we've got our expenses, and then we got our net profit. Well, right here, if you change this percentage right here, instead of a 2.08% growth rate for the month 2, we can change that to 3% right here, and then it would update your revenues to reflect a 3% revenue growth rate. So that is the third update that I've made. I've allowed y'all to be able to better customize your first 12-month profit and loss statement. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. And if you like what you hear, well, let's just go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. So in summary, if you like what you hear and you are interested in buying my business plan template for a bagel shop, just check out my link right here. I do offer some tutorials on that link as well. So if you do buy my Bagel Shop business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document. It also comes with a basic financial model, as well as tutorials on how to use both. And if you want to take a look at the tutorials before or after you buy, just go to this link right here, or just go to this link right here to purchase the Bagel Shop business plan template. You can buy it from that template. You can buy it from this link right here, but you can also view the tutorials on that page as well. There are always some limitations to my business plan templates. First, it is not compatible with Google Docs or Apple products. You do need Microsoft Word, and you do need Microsoft Excel in order to make some customizations to the documents. Also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you buy the Bagel Shop business plan template, my contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, me email. Be delighted to have a great conversation as to what you can expect from purchasing my Bagel Shop business plan template. However, if you need some assistance after you purchase the Bagel Shop business plan template, there is no free phone support. I do charge for my mentoring services. So if you get stuck in one particular area on the template, just give me a call, somebody text me, email, and we can schedule a time. I do charge for the services, but they're pretty efficient and convenient. All right, so and finally, in parting, if y'all are not interested in a Bagel Shop business plan template, you don't want to mess with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or to provide y'all with some mentoring services, or to do your pro forma financial projections for your bagel shop. If you just need some custom services without the aggravation of the tutorials and the templates and such, feel free to check out my custom business plan writing prices page right here. And then finally, as always, Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.